Welcome everyone once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are back with another video, and in this one I'll be showing you a new VPN app that helps you get a secure and reliable internet connection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Before we begin, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, where you can easily search and download Android apps. In the search bar, type FNF Tunnel VPN. This VPN helps you enjoy a fast and stable connection. From the results shown, select the app named FNF Tunnel VPN. Take note of the app name and its icon to make sure you pick the correct one. Once you find it, tap on it. Next, tap Install to download and add it to your device. After installation, tap Open to launch the VPN app. Before we continue, a quick reminder. On this channel, I regularly share apps that help you get a stable and secure connection online. Now, let's open the app. When you reach the home screen of FNF Tunnel VPN, you'll need to adjust a few simple settings so the app can perform at its best. The first step is to tap the 6 boxes icon at the top of the screen. From the options that appear, choose Update. This step updates the app's resources so you can get the best performance while using it. Next, you'll need to select a server that works best in your location. Tap the server box and you'll see several available options. For this video, I recommend keeping it on Auto Select Server so the app automatically picks the best server for your area. After that, select your network mode. Tap the box for network type, and in the search bar, type UDP since that's what we're using in this tutorial. From the list of options, select All Country UDP, UDP Mode 1. This mode works across most countries. If UDP doesn't work in your location, you can try other available network names from the list. Finally, to start your secure connection, tap the Start button. As you can see, it connects successfully. That's how you get a fast and secure internet connection using FNF Tunnel VPN. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. See you again in the next video. Thank you.